Yeah, good afternoon, people. Welcome to another great vlog. And we are at Ferris River. Like Ferris River once more again. It's a good afternoon to subscriber. Yeah, we're there. And we're going to do barbecue pigtail with callaloo rice. Yeah, man. We're there, man. The whole team out. Nadisha, Chrissy, and the rest of the team. The Chinaman there. So we're there now. So we're going to start out. The time kind of run out. And we say better we late than never. Once more again, pick up on yourself, my family. Love you all.
Yeah man, so Chrissy kids them across. Guys, be careful. Yeah, respect Rasta.
Yeah man, I want to do that. Family time, you know?
Yeah man, I eat man. Happy Sunday, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. We're out today again, you know? Behind the recording.
Call it something. Contrast one.
Take time, Chrissy, take time. Yeah, Rasta, yeah, wash out your natty.
No, bring up the vlog, you know. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog, you know. And this we do every time when we check in. River setting, cooking setting. We have the whole 9 yards. Just check out the page. Yeah.
Respect my bro. Yeah, my people.
Kevin, what's up with Paul?
Several trips to go across, you know? Yeah, my people, happy Sunday. God be the glory. Great things we have done, you know. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family we're out. You know, sir, I'm not to do a pork thing, right? So, I skin off one fish, you know. Call him tobacco. Yeah, so. Yeah, so I'm clean up my fridge, sir. Guys, welcome back Nadisha on the channel.
Yeah, welcome back, guys. You say no eat pork. How I want to eat with another pork, brother? That not very work.
Wow, it's not a pork. It's not a pork, Nadisha.
You know want to clean the legs.
That's so. Allow me clean up my fish now. Allow me clean up my tobacco fish now. No, sir, you're not getting none. You know, stick to on a pig's tail and say I want this week, sir. That one, so we are got through, you know. Clean him up. Rasta, where are you?
Yeah, peeps. I'm there, clean up my place. Then just call me name. What do you know? Call me name. What do you say? Barbecue, pigtail, Oh my world. Can't wait to get in it. Yeah man, the boss did clean up in tobacco fish, man. Tobacco. All they call it skin fish.
Yeah.
Yes man.
Yeah,
We're there man, we're there. Live in living colors. Caribbean vibes, the team out. So we're just going straight to the place. You know what I mean? While the fire catch up. Yeah man. There with him.
that one little doctor, you know?
Scald off the pig's tail. You know, say it pig's tail has salt in it, so we have to scald it off 2 or 3 times to get out the excess salt. So we're getting the pig's tail now and make it boil up, and then when it boil up, show off the water, set on the back again and kick off the bar. On the stick and stay till we reach further and I put the yeah, so we're getting the pig's tail now. Wow. Pig's tail for days. Oh. Yeah man. So we're going to come up here now and let it make it boil. We'll strain off the water. Wash off it.
I'm here with the pig's tail one.
And get the salt out. Boom.
Welcome back to the next video. We're at Ferris River. So we're gonna do some barbecue pig's tail with some callaloo rice. You know how that go. When I say pork, I might name that a call. So stay tuned for the video. We're on the location, doing the right thing. And the kids them over there enjoying the river. Stay tuned.
Yeah, so wash off some onion, scallion, thyme. It's a bell pepper. 2 cloves of garlic. So dice them up. Add in a pot. Now for the callaloo rice. Ah, Rasta, you're busy, you blow, man.
Rasta blow fire man, you blow fire.
Yeah. Rasta, you blow fire for the wood.
You blow fire on that pot.
Yeah.
Kill me running for dog.
This one you like, it long or short?
Long.
You like it long tail? What you say? Tall man?
Spot I want. The lamb tail I short tail.
Yeah. So we store pig's tail now, it's a boil. So give about 10 more minutes. And then we chew off the water.
Long tail one you want.
But Chrissy say like a long tail. A long tail Chrissy says she like. You see long tail? Yeah.
My time I
Fully
want
active. Yes man, team we out man. Today again man, I want next great day. Boom.
Add in some butter, you know. Season up the callaloo rice water, you know. Yeah, sun come out, blazing.
Like we're going to have a fair day today. Like last week, no rain. We like the vibe.
Then we add some onion, scallion, thyme, bell pepper. It's a fresh thyme. Green scotch bonnet pepper. 2 cloves of garlic, you know. Yeah, we're going to wash 2 bungalow of callaloo. Cut up. Add in. Also I'm going to add some salt, so we're going to season to taste. So we're going to allow it to boil to perfection, you know, before washing the rice.
Yes, Steve. After washing the rice 3 times, I'll get the rice in that pot. Callaloo rice. Watch color. Green. What else? Prosperity rice. Yes, man. Watch color. This is rice and barbecue pig's tail.
Yeah.
Can't wait to get in it.
Yes, I can't wait, Nadisha.
Yeah, wait till the pot finish. We can't eat unless it don't cook. So we have
Yes,
to
I
wait.
can't wait to Miss Chrissy.
Can't wait for the pig's
For the
tail.
what? It's too much pork.
No, pork is life.
Okay, call me a Christine.
But I look like Rasta when I go out with things, man. Watch it.
Watch out.
Right, yo! People, look at. Watch out. Rasta, you strike.
No man,
Hands.
yeah.
Guys, Rasta bite up neck.
We got one place, we got one country place to see the sun. So hands there fall out of one tree.
Eh? Yeah, yeah, move, man.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, dog.
You just call me name.
Back home.
Yes, sister, that is, shall we see.
Come up here and leave it to steam, you know. Callaloo rice. Yeah, man. Yeah, please, you check for the pig still, you know.
Yeah, seems like a them, though.
Yes, man, they come to perfection now, man.
No.
Come on, come on. Yeah?
Just want them tender enough, you know, because you don't want them to overcook, because remember they are gonna
Go
be
on
grilled.
the grill. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, good look, man. Ready now. Listen, Chris, if you want ready.
Yeah, look on the tail, you know.
Aye, that's it. Yes, man. And we say pig steel, no barbecue pig steel. Then just call me name. Tall man, just call me name. Boom. Stick and steel.
And rice with salmon.
Yeah, peeps. So you get out the pig steel now. You get it cool off. You season it up. To get it on the grill. Pig steel for days. Callaloo rice. Oh. Where's the Christy? That one or too short?
Me like vanilla.
Why? Pig steel for days.
Go away.
Guys, Chrissy, I look for me when dogs say, Chrissy, you like it, and Chrissy, you like it when they like. Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me?
Don't look at me. I won't feel
Feel
look at
long, feel long.
me. Look at me. You can't look at my wife. Oh, Christy, look at my wife. You must see somebody want to look at me.
No, man.
Yes, man. You want to look at somebody. Yes.
Just a little bit of water, just to break down the temperature of the heat. So for them cool down, just gonna add some blended season, and just a little bit of all-purpose season, just to build back a little bit of flavor to the pig steak.
Wow, pig steel for days.
So just washing them up. Yeah, my people, happy Sunday once more. First and foremost, we have to big up to Father God. You know, Caribbean vibes, we are a family that pray together, so we stay together, you know.
Sure.
Yeah. God be the glory.
Great things you have done.
Add some blended season, local herbs and spice, onion, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper and ginger. We're just gonna toss a little all-purpose season over it. Not too much, because you know pig steel contains salt. Yeah, so we are gonna leave it to marinate, you know? At least 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Can done overnight to absorb the season. So after leaving it to marinate, just gonna make the honey barbecue sauce. So I'm just tasting it, making sure that it's not too salt. Okay, good job my team, good job.
Cool.
Yes, so we are going to start by adding in our herbs, scallion, onion, thyme, ginger, garlic, bay leaves, just a little bit, bay leaves.
Yes, please, welcome to South Bar.
So we're going to add some honey barbecue. Yeah, so we're gonna use some orange juice. So we're giving the sauce a little citrus flavor to it. And it's optional. It's optional for people. So we're also gonna add some of Jamaica finest all-purpose spice, pimento seed, Got good in our sauce, a lot of flavor. We're gonna add some soy sauce, a little bit. Just a little pinch of pepper. I'm not gonna add it too because remember kids are here. A little pinch of brown sugar. So we are gonna allow the sauce to boil up,
Callaloo rice with days. Rice ready for eat around the peeps. I eat her put on them barbecue, put them pigtail on the grill or something. Yeah, I eat that, I put on fish, me kick over my pot, Yeah man, yeah peeps. Rice ready, My pigtail away from now. You put them on the grill. Salt out. Rice ready man, see the rice can't eat man. Callaloo rice. Ready.
Yeah man, so you know say we don't really indulge in our pork. That's not we don't have nothing against the pork, my people. You know we are gonna fry one fish. As you don't see me I clean up on the channel, Yeah, so the barbecue sauce don't make the pork don't marinate.
If I want to could tell about it.
So you know how it goes. So I go grill off the big steel now. So everybody can get them.
You know what? Kick over fish pot in the river, make it fish swim. Make it fish somewhere. Make it fish swim, make it love to eat.
Guys,
eat pig steel.
Dog no want eat white fowl, but he want me to eat pork.
Can't come and fall to you alone. We usually eat white fowl, but
him no fear,
We usually eat white fowl, but find them pick me. Further them, I don't want to eat them again.
So top man on the channel over there.
Top line. Yeah man, real top man. Line to your world man, yeah man. Fully active.
Yeah man, so you get in the fish in the airport now.
Good old super sauce. Steam fish. That's the fish.
What's the mouth ugly? The mouth you have it crispy.
I will tell away to you by
You want that straight head.
He want that straight head, Bobo.
Guys, look what it is.
Don't compare me to no fish.
Look there.
Right.
Don't kiss the boy, right?
We took over that mechanic.
Kick over Chrissy, kick over my pot, make it hard. Make it hard, not for it. We kick over my pot, make it hard, not for it.
Don't test me.
You have to, don't test it. Don't test
One man
Chrissy.
against the world.
Don't test Chrissy, because we kick over my pot, make it have to eat pigtail.
Okay.
Oh, me eat callaloo rice alone, man, with butter.
You think callaloo rice alone?
With butter.
That's good for you. You're going to have deaf ears, so suppose the people deaf ears.
No, sir.
Right,
Yeah, and Sister Nadisha running off the fish today,
Tobacco fish, sweet fish, doctor fish. I love that.
5 pieces of fish are fried today and not one man I get piece.
You're going to hear people. You're going to hear
Attack him, attack. I feel him out saying can't say anything. So,
Well, the camera make the people see because you feel like a joke thing. Brother, I don't know get none of my fish, brother. Remember, say a pigtail in a request for the vlog today, bro.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get pigtail, bro, so I get fish for myself. So nobody expect to get none of the fish, brother.
Talking my talk.
So nobody with no foolishness.
Where's the shine? What they call?
Eat the pigtail, allow the fish them.
What's your man? What's your man? You two boys them. What they call? You can go on, man. I can't be on fire today. Sweet river. I can't see little people on the riverside seeing me. Fully active. Oh.
Yeah, fire ready. So after marinating for approximately maybe 45 minutes or more. Just gentle placing them on the grill. Yeah, and it's barbecue pig's tail today, guys. Can you see the marination, and then it's the pig's tail, they are coated with the marination, so you know how it tastes good.
Yeah, Pete. Big tails, the beers. Can't wait. Oh my
No man,
world.
you can't wait, man.
Oh my world.
So also giving the barbecue pig's tail a nice smoke flavor. Go watch this now, dog, because guess what? I want to see pork and pork are fat. And fat produce oil. See, you know, if you don't watch it, you know, go hot. Everything burn up.
You know, I'm going to watch you, but me watch you.
Yeah, man, no, man.
Oh,
Look, you see them?
yeah. You know what I'm saying? I fry tobacco fish. It's that fish. Yeah, man, a piece of, well, what is a piece of that? So everything on that. Yes, man. Yeah, you're cool. Oh, the real one. The shy one. That's the person. Fully active the team out. Real top man. Welcome to the channel, man.
I don't want to top of the line, man, from something, man.
Yes, man. Real big man.
Yeah,
So, that's the person.
Buns them same way, don't know.
Yes, man.
Caribbean cooking vibe.
Fully active. Yeah.
So we're going to allow them to catch color. So that's what we want to. We want them to catch a nice brown color.
Yeah. Let's start around.
So we're just watching them thoroughly and turning them. Also, when you are cooking the pig's tail, you don't want them to overcook, because that's the first thing about it. You don't want them to overcook, because remember, putting the pig's tail on the grill and grilling it is a process of cooking. So if it is overcooking, then it will break, and you don't want that.
Yeah. See the beats, you know? No shot.
Yes guys, I've done frying the fish. Put in the fish them and throw the barbecue sauce.
Everything barbecue. Barbecue pig's tail, barbecue fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Fully active. Peeps, anytime it's a fish, I don't see my dog no more. Look at rice with it. With two pieces of fish. Fifty one. Barbecue fish. Alongside callaloo rice. Oh my word.
Everything barbecue.
Yeah.
A Barbie doll. A Barbie doll.
Yeah, I'm going down. Because of this work.
You have to give me some.
Now up me door tonight.
Watch your piece, we can't wait, you know. We can't wait for the pig steal. Watch your fish ready. I'm going to wait for a pig steal, the pig steal done. Everybody take a pot and share fish give it.
What is someone up to?
Take a pot and share
Brother,
fish give it.
eat a sauce or rice, brother.
Sauce and rice. No, Chrissy, we don't want sauce and rice.
We don't want sauce
We want fish and rice.
Want to taste the barbie
Fish and rice we want. Till that ready. We don't have foolish. Just put piece of fish on your sir.
Hold on, up me in the dish. Up me.
Just put piece of fish on your sir, yeah man. Them face on dark side, no. You mean? When put a little gravy on it. Oh my word, watch out. Watch your piece. Could I? Callaloo rice with barbecue fish.
You see, here you go, guys. You see it?
I want to tell you.
Some people just have fear.
Bad up
for my meat. What we are eating.
Get one for you, because we are bad of time and take one food. This is we're not fish. We're bad up. Looking at bag of sea park, boy.
If he did say we not get none, then we would have back him out in a body.
Yeah.
We get too much.
Yeah. And this is what I want to achieve. You know, the smoke. So the pig tail will actually have a nice smoke flavor. And that's what I want. So and the fire is not too humid under it. It's just taking its time and catching its color.
Oh my word. Babe. Oh.
Yes, dad.
We can't wait now. Can't wait. Callaloo rice. Oh my word. So, I don't know if it is, but
We're adding some red stripe beer. Go good with the barbecue as well, just like jerk. So it helps to control the heat and add flavor, moisture to it. You can smell the red stripe beer popping out of the grill, you know?
yes, sir.
Time to time we have to get another grill which is more bigger because the platform is growing. So you know how it go. Like when we just started off Caribbean Vibes cooking, it was back in just when COVID hit. It was just me and my nephew alone. And it grows so much where we have Dog, Nadisha, Chrissy come. So many persons. We have persons from France coming through, want to shoot video with us. We are so grateful, you know, because me can't do it alone, you know. Because as I always say, in everything put God first. Putting out great menu out there, great ideas so person can relate. Person, don't be afraid of try them, the recipe them. And drop it in the comment section what you guys want to see we cook. You know, never afraid to hit us someone. You know, boom.
Yes, sir. Fully active.
I like all the time.
We are back. Welcome back my people to Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Yeah, so we are coating the pig's tail into the barbecue sauce. Hot, Chrissy, hot. So we are just allowing the barbecue pig's tail to catch color. So you can use a glazing brush and brush on the sauce, right? Or you can also dip them. So I prefer to dip them. Goes more faster and easy.
Oh, I can't wait to the pigs. Yes, I just have to keep out some of my callaloo rice with piece of boy fish. Can't wait for the pig's tail. Hey, pig's tail today.
We are going through.
Yeah, Rasta man go over your heart, brother.
Peeps. Oh my word.
Yeah, Rasta man go over your heart.
Can't wait to get in it.
So you go and eat your pork, Nadisha?
You know, it's my pork, fam.
We don't eat raw pork, you know. We pork have to cook for it, you know. We don't eat raw pork. My pork have to cook, steam have to come out of pork. Watch out steam have to come out of pork. Yeah, that's the way I eat pork. I don't eat the pork longer, so.
You know, make me eat it, but some guys eat it.
Really active. Watch your teeth. Wow. Watch pretty pig's tail, man.
Can't take one picture of it in a time. It's smoke over there.
Watch your tail here hang over. Put it over good. Put it good. Oh, man. Beef, watch pretty pork. Oh, man.
Don't know what to do now, sir. We are moving there. Right. No man, I'm about to me.
Watch Chrissy. Watch Chrissy, that's fast.
Yeah, man.
Oh, boy.
You got to
What?
catch me too.
That's nice, girl.
Wicked.
Not nice.
Really nice.
Wicked.
But
Damn, I come to me more, let me know code. The man said it's too long.
But me no say nothing, brother.
Your peeps. It's in there weird. Pull it out.
Pigtail nice. The sauce nice, and the bash, you know, the sauce nice, okay? Jay, I get a nice sauce. No, Jay. I tell you, man, the thing wicked, man.
Pull it.
So this pigtail already, you know, can't come off now, no. People there wait too long and belly a ball and all, so no time for waste, you know. You get them off, and them get before you get mad out, you know.
Nice smoke. Sweet pig, watch out. You know pork bring. Listen, you know what I'm saying?
Smoke.
And the coal them there underneath the fire.
Cool and wicked,
Love
yeah.
it.
So I get off the pigtail them guys, I fire get wicked.
The man is going to wait for feeling. Yeah, man, because you have to take step up today.
Guys, we just don't wait. We just respond to some comment for the channel. That's all we have. We don't wait.
Hey.
That's all we have.
Come on, I get off the pork because you know people belly are roll. Stick and steak will start. Sure food. Boom. Yeah, peeps. Finally, ship to my shore. You can see food ready, so look at fans are hungry, so we are short them food, make them get them food. Good old callaloo rice, barbecue, pigtail.
Dark coffee please.
What to do with the kids in place, kind of. Once kids come a river and they must swim, they will get hungry, so you have to get them food sorted. Come down, man, come go and put in the meat. They're cheap, not enough. Callaloo rice. Peeps, remember say when they say we do our food, we are not about competing with anybody. Remember say we born cause things are going down. So if when you see we cook our food and we cook like with callaloo rice, you know, you're going to say that the man that do it first and that this man that do it first. No. Everybody born cause people do things. And we are our own creator. We create our own. We not follow people. We do our own. Yes, man. Fully active. Only place.
Here's such a man. Camera rolling.
Yep, I know.
Shut up.
Guys, pig's tail looking tempting.
You know, testy.
I test when I go home.
Not even tail.
Yeah, me test the mileage I put when I go home. You can see it's not overcooked. You know, it's juicy. You know?
Ready to eat. How you like it? Juicy or dry or
How you
Nah,
like it, dad?
Yeah, how you like it?
like what? The pig still?
Yeah.
I like the pig still on it. All kind of way I like. On a pork, in a joke. Once I get the sauce, man. Get the sauce.
Yeah.
No man, you can't make it waste. Them some kind of waste, brother. What want to tell man? Put it on one side, wash off your eye.
The thing is delicious.
What? So go on with one side.
You know what I'm team today.
I want to tell you, man, the man say, I want to tell you that chop something harder and make it flow. But when you share fish and share so hard, you share some more.
Yeah man, good vibe man, good Caribbean cooking vibe man. Up and running man, a real thing man.
You some more pictures, sir.
Bad man,
Callaloo rice.
mad man.
My word. I tell you, please. What's that? Tell people, I tell you, when it comes to pork, we're not joke. Caribbean vibe cooking block, barbecue pork, callaloo rice. Oh my word! Oh God! Food nice! Fully active.
Dad, can't talk a week time, so everyone nice. You can't talk people, God knows. Not tonight, yeah man. Barbecue pigtail, callaloo rice, cherry callaloo rice, nice. Even if you don't have no salting, for the season the rice and cook it same way and eat it same way. Yeah man, nice.
The food nice guys, the callaloo rice and the pigtail nice.
That is another good video. Big up to Chef Dal, Chef Tevan. Callaloo rice is to die for. Really good, well seasoned, everything. Not to mention the barbecue pigtail. You can taste the beer and the citrus from the orange juice. And the sauce and the well smoked, well seasoned, marinade. Tastes really good. You must try that.
Can taste the orange juice.
This down now, I'm like a comfort zone of people. Yeah man, give God thanks. One more great video again. And it's a joy to share the love with the entire world. You know, think at times that's what the world needs, love. Look at team there, enjoy yourself. With me, Dr. Fish, callaloo rice. I want another great video coming out, my people. Much love, much appreciated. Stick and stay the Caribbean vibe cooking. Nothing but the greatest. We have put out the tuna, man.
My man say barbecue fish now. Barbecue fish, barbecue pigtail. Yeah man, fully active. Team out.
Pigtail nice, no, sweet. Barbecue, nice man. Now good look. I think Caribbean have to work with a bomb. I'm out.
Oh my word. I tell you, barbecue pigtail, callaloo rice. Oh my word. Boom. Yeah man. And if you try, you need to try this one. Barbecue pigtail with callaloo rice. Yeah man. Fully active. I wish you like, share, comments the Big Bad channel, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Boom. Who just arrived?
Yeah, we just arrived late but sure. Fully active. Caribbean Vibes. Out again. Yeah. We're that day, you know.
Here, pig, that's our jumping on the block. Hurry, reach down.
From when we have to check in, we have to check in. From when we have to check in. Still late. This way.
You need come on forward, come just forward. Party ball, Father Junior, party ball wife, you know what he said. Just forward, so if you get them food, you. Good old callaloo rice, barbecue pigtail. Right. You know, it's a good look. Wow. Wait, what is that? What is it? Better with it. That's weird. Hey, good old pigtail. Sorry, I wait for them come out. The rest of the team get for them, you know. You go back to the airport, you know. Give them some food there. Give them some sauce, Tony. Yeah, man.
As you told me, I get you nice. Pigtail and callaloo rice. Like it tastes like callaloo rice. And pigtail tastes nice. Barbecue pigtail with the salt in it. Tastes nice salmon. Pigtail.
Here's my pig. Callaloo rice. Pigtail with the sauce on my red, on my fish. Another beautiful one. Another beautiful one. Oh, look at the crust. The crust is all beautiful. See that? Properly done. It's a lovely flavor.
Yes, as you can see, the long time I don't see me, great party bar. Long time I don't see me, boy, I'm not lying. I come late, but I don't mind how old pot I get. Where food bad, God no, everything bad. Remember to do like, subscribe and share. Remember and comment Caribbean Cooking Vlog. All the bone can show. Wow. Seize it to the bone and pass it to the flesh. Another beautiful Sunday. Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Remember now, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hit up the notification bell at all times, okay? Remember, it's another beautiful villa. So check it out at all times, alright? Bless you.